Hey everyone, so I've had several people asking me to do a tutorial on my banana pudding, and so today's y'all's lucky day. I usually get the instant Jello banana puddings. One is vanilla, one is banana cream, and then we have to use 6 cups of milk with that. So we're going to go ahead and put these into the mixing bowl. Then I have 4 cups of milk already poured up, and then we will have to add 2 more. And I use Fairlife milk. It's a 2% ultra filtered reduced fat milk. We're in luck, we had 2 cups. Don't worry, I had more in the fridge. Because who would want to spoil this recipe, right? And then you just kind of whisk that together with a wire whisk. And you do that for about 2 minutes. You'll feel it kind of start thickening up. Now we let it stand for 3 minutes. Okay, so I have let the pudding stand for 3 minutes. So now I'm going to stir in an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip that I'm going to just kind of gently fold it in. And I get every drop of this. This is the best stuff. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of fold it into the pudding mixture. This is a good summertime dessert. A nice, cool, no-bake dessert. Okay, that looks great to me. I have already layered the bottom of my pan with a layer of Nilla Wafers. And then I've already cut up, sliced up some bananas. I usually only use 3 to 4 bananas in my banana pudding. I'm just not a huge fan of a lot of bananas. I like bananas, but not a whole lot in my pudding. So as you can see, this is about what I make the bottom layer look like. All right, so then we're going to top that layer with about half of this pudding. And just kind of smooth it out over your layer. Just a little bit more over here. Okay, then I'm going to do another layer of Nilla Wafers. And I always try to find the pretty ones. And while you're laying them out, if you find one that's ugly, why not have a munchie, right? I like a lot of vanilla wafers in my pudding. Then you're going to top those with bananas. Banana slices. My daughter's been asking me all day, are you going to make that banana pudding? Are you going to make the banana pudding? I think she's really looking forward to it. So that's a shout out to Kate. This was a total of 4 bananas. Okay, then we're going to top that layer with the rest of the pudding. And then you're going to make a final topping with Cool Whip. And this is another 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. Okay, and then last I go ahead and put one more topping of vanilla wafers. Always buy 2 boxes so that I can make sure I have good wafers for the pudding. They tend to break up in those packages. If you want to, you can also add a few more slices of banana to the top, but I typically don't. And voila, there it is. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. If you will, please give me a like, follow, subscribe, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch y'all next time.